Hi guys, this is take 4. We are here at...
Hello from EPCOT!
Guys, we need to do like 3 or 4 takes. It gets at you. But guys, we are over here at EPCOT for the Festival of the Arts.
Yep.
It started on the 8th of January, goes all the way to the 22nd of February.
If you're new, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking on that link. Hopefully stay within the entirety of the video as well. Check out all the other cool videos we have.
Yes.
Thanks for visiting us today. Just a few reminders. Face coverings must fully cover your nose and mouth and be worn at all times except when actively eating or drinking while stationary. Guests that do not comply will be asked to leave. Clean your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you.
Now, after that PSA, we are so excited that you clicked on this link. But guys, thank you so much. We are excited to see what snacks they got. We're excited to see what kind of art they have, and all the above.
If you're new, please subscribe, share with your family and friends. Let them know all the cool awesomeness that you have from us, that we take you along as well to all the cool things that are around our area.
Yeah, and if you do hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification too. That way you get notified when we do post videos, which currently right now is Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we might sprinkle in a couple.
How does Brian do it?
Alright guys, thank you so much, and we hope you enjoy. So we typically don't do like a construction update on our channel, but we're over here in EPCOT, and this is what it looks like they're going to be doing stuff for the new fireworks spectacular. I can't remember the name of it because it's been forever with COVID, but it looks pretty cool. I think these are where the kind of light show is going to go and all that fun stuff. So we got the Festival of Arts 2021 items here. This is all the annual pass stuff that they got. So this looks like a Spirit jersey. It's actually pretty lighter than usual. That's pretty much all they have so far, but we'll keep checking.
Hey guys, there's also a place where you can do a photo op.
Guys, one thing that I love about the Arts Festival is that they have all these different vendors over here that you can actually come over and buy original art.
This one is across from Test Track.
This is actually really good. Not as good as the one I got last.
And they even have one over here as well. And as Amber said, I don't know if you heard, it's over here by Test Track. And it's probably about 60 degrees today.
A little windy.
What's really cool, guys, they have these little butterflies that you can just stand in front of and actually have a nice little Instagram post. They're all throughout here. Guys, they have a whole bunch of chalk art going on right here. It's amazing what they can do with chalk. I don't know how good it looks on camera, but this thing looks amazing. So last year they had what they called spin art. So you would get a little thing, got a little piece of paper, and then you come over here to the bicycles, you bicycle real fast, or someone else does it for you, and then it does all the art and does like a little spin art. It's kind of cool. And the price is $19 with the canvas, and then you get an 8x10 frame for $25. It's kind of cool. Alright guys, so we went over here to Germany. We got the Artist Palette Jumbo Chocolate Chip Cookie, which we got last year, where you can actually like paint with the icing and all that kind of stuff. And then we also got the Red Wine Braised Beef Short Rib with parsnip, puree, broccolini, baby tomatoes, and aged balsamic. Looks pretty good. So this is the new pass holder ears. Looks pretty cool. Amber likes them. They're blue and gold, and looks like white or pinkish white. And then because I work in transportation, I got the 2021 Peterbilt truck. I like it. So the braised beef was amazing, and the cookie,
It's really sweet.
it's really sweet.
The icing.
The icing doesn't have a flavor, but it adds some sweetness to it. It's pretty good.
Chocolate chip cookie. It's really
Delish.
soft. Look who it is, you guys.
If you look closely on the pictures, you can actually see that they're painted by somebody. Like Snow White's painted by Doc. This one is sketched by Maurice.
There's more in the back too.
And that one's done by Merriweather.
See, Flora painted it, but then Merriweather decided to cross out and put her name because they said make it pink and make it blue. This is really cute, huh? Wow, look at this one, you guys. And then there's Donald. Ole! Donald Duck #1. That's so cute. This is a cute little area. We've always said that. We always try to come over here.
I just realized the one at Bell
Yeah.
is Maurice's invention.
Oh yeah, look it. Show them the back.
Because if you look close, Maurice tried to make a painting invention that actually paints and sketches everything. That's pretty cool. So if you remember back from the beginning, you see a paintbrush and stuff. So nifty. Alright, we're in the Festival of the Arts Pavilion, and wow.
Oh, pretty behind me.
They have a place where you can buy Thomas Kincaid paintings. And then up here. You know, I always feel like what we show, what we see, and what the camera picks up is always off.
It's pretty. Okay guys, we're gonna get the pistachio cake from here. And there's also this. Guys, they're making it fresh too. Guys, there's also a stage here, so I don't know if there's gonna be like performances or anything, but we'll find out for you guys. Guys, this is the pistachio cake. It has pistachio cake with cherry mousse and morello cherries.
Pink.
So we're in the back part, right?
Yes. Sorry, there's a whole bunch of art, guys. Just amazing artists. It's amazing how they can find these people over here. But I'm eyeing a piece over here that is of tink that I'm sure Amber's gonna love.
Show me.
sure if you can find your cast member over there with looks like they're painting and their slot looks like they're painting a string.
$50, not bad. $39.95 for $40.
There's a glare. That's cool.
Oh, they got Genie. Can you imagine this at backlit?
No, he's over there. He's coming to sign it. That's so cute. Oh,
First things first. That's actually so we found these two shirts. It's really cool. Everything else is the same, but I really like that shirt. It's really cool. Like last year, you can get little paints and actually paint
a section.
a section or a couple blocks and all that kind of stuff. They're calling it this year the Expression section. Paint by the number mural, and it's all figment, I believe.
It's a cross.
And to get here, you go over there where you would ride a Soren, the Land Pavilion. You walk all the way across, and boom, you get your paint over there, and you paint.
I have to do a close-up so you can get the numbers.
See, there's a whole bunch of spots right here. It's crazy, huh? That's pretty cool. It's kind of like
odd numbers. They're keeping the even numbers clear for now.
Oh, okay.
So for social distancing. See? So they're doing 1, 3, 5, 7.
Oh.
And they have 2, 4, 6, and 8 clear.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool.
So kind of like what they did for Legoland for the Christmas and
then what they did last
Halloween.
year, remember?
And last year as well. And it's open daily till 5 p.m. So they have the bookmarker. I believe this is what it's supposed to look like. It's Starry Night with Spaceship Earth.
Oh,
and
new fireworks.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Kind of like it.
What is it? You get it and it's a bookmark?
It's a bookmark. Well, guys, we are completely done with EPCOT for today. It was all right. You know, there's a lot more vendors I feel than the usual.
Oh yeah, there's a lot more everywhere, and they actually have really cool things like on the construction walls to take pictures and stuff.
Oh yeah.
So there's a few more things to do than what there usually is, which is pretty good, which is great actually.
Right. I'm a picky eater, so full disclosure, the snack options weren't that great, in my opinion. But that's only because I'm picky. But you can. We always recommend getting the passport.
Yeah, at least beforehand.
Yeah.
Kind of plan it out, because it does get crowded. The pistachio cake was pretty good.
Yeah, the mousse was really strong.
It was super pretty the way it was decorated. So like it does take a few minutes, but it's worth it.
Yeah, and the braised short rib, wow, that was good. That was good eating. And I think that's all we tried today.
Yeah, for now.
Oh, and the cookie was sweet.
Which we usually get anyways. It was a little bit windy. That's why we were kind of in the car doing our outro and stuff.
with the sun going down.
We apologize
Yeah.
if you hear wind a lot.
Yeah. But guys, we really are excited because this is our first theme park video of the year that we've shot.
It's been a while since we've been to a Disney park.
I know. It's been, wow. I think the last time was
Magic Kingdom.
Magic
Christmas
Kingdom.
stuff.
Yeah, no, Hollywood Studios.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, wow. Oof. But we're really excited, guys. We kind of took December off to kind of just relax and enjoy ourselves. But we are really glad we're back to the swing of things, I think. So,
Hello, new fam.
Yeah.
We are so grateful. We say it all the time, but we really do mean that word when we say it.
We got some exciting more. We got some news that we want to share with you guys in another video, probably next month. Ish. So
depends on when this is edited.
Yeah. So we'll just keep out a lookout for that. But guys, if you made this far, thank you so much. Make sure you do hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get notified when we do
Share
post.
with your family and friends. There's
Yes.
other videos that are probably pretty cool, but this one was a cool video as well.
Yeah. Oh yeah. And don't forget to like and comment, guys.
Keep that discussion going.
Oh yeah. And we'll see you guys next time, I think. Bye, guys.
I can't see my hand because your hand's like that.